You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
So good to see you on this Thursday afternoon. Yes, my name is Bill, wishing you a great Thursday. Yeah, your weekend is almost here, and it's going to be a bit of a wet one. Today, though, mostly cloudy, not a whole lot in terms of active weather. We'll get to 21 degrees today, early afternoon. We'll slip to 17 degrees late evening, and then by Friday morning, dealing with some rain after an overcast sky today. Mostly cloudy, but then Friday morning by around 7, maybe 8 a.m. for Eastern Ontario, dealing with some rain. And then bang, look at Saturday. Rather large system entering into the region overnight into Saturday morning. And that could bring, depending on where you are, 15, 20, maybe even 25 millimeters of rain. Hopefully that system moves on by around 1 p.m. I'm hoping, because there's that Queen's Gales football game at 3 p.m. at Richardson Stadium on Saturday. They're going to go for 5-0 this season. Belleville, 21 degrees, mostly cloudy today, 22 on Friday, 15 millimeters of rain for you, 25 millimeters of rain for you, Belleville, it looks like Saturday morning. Still above average, though, 18 degrees. Brockville in the low 20s all the way into Saturday, about 5 millimeters of rain for you tomorrow morning, and then 15 on Saturday. 22 today, though, yeah, well above average. Smiths Falls, also a high of 22 degrees today, mostly cloudy. 22 degrees for your Friday, 5 millimeters of rain in the morning, and then looking like you could see some sunny periods in the afternoon. Saturday, 19 degrees, 20 millimeters of rain for you. It looks like in the morning. For Kingston, we'll get to 21 degrees today, an overcast sky, 22 tomorrow, 5 millimeters of rain in the morning, 19 on Saturday, up to 20 millimeters. We're dealing with a light rain on Sunday. However, look at the difference between Saturday and Sunday. We'll drop down to 14 degrees, and average high this time of year, 13 degrees. Monday, 13 degrees, so considerably cooler, but nothing out of the ordinary there. Expect some sunshine to begin your week.
Yes, some heavy rain coming our way. A couple lows that'll be pushing through over the weekend could give us a really good soaking. We hope to see near the last half of your weekend things improve a little, but we've got some really nasty rain coming our way. In fact, special weather statements issued by Environment Canada because of that. 20 in Kingston for a high today, 21 in Brockville and Ottawa, 22 for Smiths Falls, 21 in Belleville, 23 in Peterborough, but Oshawa and Toronto saw 21 today too. Well above normal, and a feeling about 6 degrees warmer than that today, thanks to the high humidity. We're at 94% relative humidity right now, and you can thank that southerly flow. Though it's calm at only 9 kilometers per hour, it just continues to perpetuate the moisture and the warm temperatures we've been receiving. Just a trace of showers in the last 24 hours. But there's a lot more to come, believe me. There is a low in the north that's been absorbing other low pressure systems as it stalls and goes, well, it travels more north and back west, what they call retrograde. As it does this, it forms this incredibly beautiful frontal boundary right here. Sort of, we'll put a line right here. Everything you see over here, warm, moist, tropical. Down in here, the cooler air is starting to come in, and so where they meet, we've got this incredible mixture of active weather, the heart of this low far enough north, but along that frontal boundary, not only are we feeling the effects of that cold front pushing up or pushing down on all that warm, moist air on the surface, you're going to be seeing a couple more lows sort of moving in along that frontal boundary, and because of this stalling trend that we've seen, most lows like to just go from west to east and be done with you, but in this case, because of this blocking trend that we've been seeing, instead of it sweeping to the east, it's going to continue to travel more northerly. And as it does, we have quite a rain event set for you. And just as you think it's over at one point during your Saturday, it starts to pick up again. So this is where we are now with the cloud coverage. As we roll into Friday, early Friday morning, you get that probability of showers, and then it falls off. You've got a mix of sun and cloud for most of the day. It isn't until Friday evening that we start to see that chance of showers, periods of rain, heavy at times, and then through Saturday it gets really nasty and really heavy. Late Saturday, we hope to see things and then partially clear. For your Sunday, though there may be a small probability, in a lot of cases, in the Belleville-Kingston area especially, we may actually see some clearing by the afternoon. A little cooler thanks to that westerly flow. That cold front's going to bring some cooler, drier air in, so only up to 13 on Sunday. But tomorrow, 22 for a high and feeling about 5 degrees warmer than that. Saturday up to 19 as the showers continue. So you've got that 60% probability in the morning. That diminishes. Then Saturday you've got more, a whole lot. And then Sunday it's up to 13 with a 40% probability. Brockville, you're looking at a real rainy day Saturday too. 60% tomorrow. Saturday 70% and a 60% probability as temperatures drop for you too. Wet weather moving in late Friday for Smiths Falls, continuing Saturday and Sunday. It's just a 40% probability, but you're going to see cooler temperatures on Sunday, too. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high 23 tomorrow. Rain heavy at times tonight, and that comes with a risk of thunderstorms. Tomorrow, it drops to about 60% in the morning, 40% probability through the afternoon. You might actually get some sunny periods, and then Saturday, you're right back up to 80% probability. That's the wet day this weekend. Sunday, the probability diminishes a bit, a high 14, mix of sun and cloud, and a 40% chance of showers. And then for Monday, it's only up to 12 with a mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny Tuesday. And look at this, temperatures on the rise again, a high of 17. Now your weather wallpaper. And this weather wallpaper comes from Shelley King of Moscow. We sort of see strange cloud formations all the time, and often when you see a wisp like this, it's created by, more often, airplanes. That go through. The heat from the jet engines end up just boiling all that cold air at a higher altitude, producing water droplets, water vapor, and so you get these manufactured clouds. But I wanted to share this one because it's not really going horizontally. It's going like the plane took a dive. But if you take a closer look at the cloud, it actually resembles a feather.
It does look like a feather in the wind.
Did you think of that before I said it? Because that's the first thing I thought when I saw it, Hutch. I looked at that. I went, wow, does that ever look like a feather? And yeah, so
it's not a feather. It's not a plane going down. It's just the formation of the tail exhaust, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
A lot of those streams of vapor can be changed as the wind sort of changes, and that's what's happening.
I don't think I've ever seen one quite like that before. Nor have I seen a beautiful frontal boundary, I think is how you describe that.
Well, it's huge. I get a little excited about some things you probably wouldn't, but yeah, okay. Beautiful. I mean, it is, though. It's tremendous. That low in the north extends a cold front right down to the Gulf of Mexico. It's pretty amazing.
It is, yeah. Along with the rain that it brings with it, right?
Lots of rain, yes.
Right. Thanks, Bill. We'll get you back here with a 7-day forecast later.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Special weather statements issued, heavy rainfall coming our way. In fact, we could see 2 to 3 days of inclement weather as a series of lows push through. We have this very strong low in the north. It's created this nice big frontal boundary. Along the leading edge of the front, we see other lows building up. Right now, we're on the warm side. Look at these warm fronts here and all that warm air coming across and pushing in over Lake Ontario. That's why we're seeing these crazy mild temperatures. We could see it up to 23 degrees in some places tomorrow when your seasonal average in Kingston is only a 13. This will continue to move through, and we'll have strong rain for Saturday. It moves in Friday night, continues Saturday. Come Sunday, you're still looking at some active weather, but not a whole lot, and that probability diminishes through the day. The 40% in the morning gets out of the way by the afternoon. Then it's just a mix of sun and cloud. But look at those temperatures with that northerly flow, clear or cool, dry air moving in. You're only going to get as high as 13 degrees Sunday for a daytime high, and that night it drops to 6 degrees. Might want to pull those potted plants in from the porch. Brockville, high 23 tomorrow, 60% chance of showers. Saturday, 70% probability, and Sunday up to 60% and cooler too. Everybody sees those temperatures drop by Sunday. Smiths Falls, you've got a good chance of showers and rain over Friday and Saturday. Sunday, it's a 50% probability with a mix of sun and cloud. And Kingston, your long-range forecast, a high of 23 tomorrow. We have showers turning to rain heavy at times with a risk of thunderstorms tonight, and then that probability continues tomorrow. And by Saturday, you're looking at even more rain, 70% probability. And then Sunday, the probability diminishes. Expect just a mix mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon. But cooler, only rising to 12 Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. Sunny Tuesday, high 17. 17 Wednesday and mainly sunny. Back to a chance of showers Thursday with a high 14.
The Kingston Front now.